A Vizio TV that won't turn on but shows a power light that fades off can be frustrating and confusing. This issue affects many users and often points to a minor glitch or connection problem rather than serious hardware failure. In this video, I will show you step-by-step troubleshooting methods you can safely try at home to get your TV working again. Let's start with the first step, which is performing a power cycle. First, unplug your Vizio TV from the power outlet completely. Then press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 15 to 30 seconds. This helps clear any temporary memory or glitches inside the TV. After that, wait at least another 60 seconds before plugging the TV back in. Once you've done that, try turning it on again and see if the issue is resolved. Next, you'll want to check the power source and connections. To do this, plug another device, like a lamp, into the same outlet where your TV was connected. This helps you confirm that the outlet is working properly. If the outlet is fine, make sure your TV is plugged directly into the wall and not through any surge protectors or power strips. Sometimes these extra devices can interfere with power flow. Also, take a close look at the TV's power cord. Check both ends to make sure they're plugged in securely and inspect the cord for any visible damage. Now let's look at the remote control. Start by replacing the batteries in your remote with fresh ones. Then, check to see if any of the buttons, especially the power button, are stuck. A stuck button can send the wrong signal to the TV and cause it not to respond. After checking the remote, try turning the TV on using the physical power button on the TV itself. This helps you figure out if the problem is with the remote or the TV. After that, disconnect all external devices from the TV. This includes anything connected to the HDMI ports, like game consoles or streaming sticks. Once everything is unplugged, try turning the TV on again. If it works now, that means one of the connected devices might be causing the issue. You can reconnect each device one at a time to find out which one is the problem. If the TV still doesn't show any picture, try a flashlight test. Make the room dark and then shine a flashlight at an angle very close to the screen. Look carefully for any faint images or menu options. If you can see something on the screen, it means the backlight might not be working. This is a more technical issue and usually needs professional repair, but the test helps confirm what's wrong. Finally, you can try doing a factory reset. Look for a small reset button or pinhole on the TV. Use a paperclip or something similar to press and hold that button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This will reset the TV back to its original settings. Once it restarts, follow the setup steps on the screen. This can sometimes fix the issue if it was caused by a software glitch. That's it for this video on what to do when your Vizio TV won't turn on and the power light just fades off. I hope these step-by-step troubleshooting tips help you get your TV back up and running. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple tech solutions. Got any questions? Or did one of these steps work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.